Welcome to Drawsh Studio. Today we're going to learn about the calf muscles. Let's get started. The calf group are two strong muscles on the back of our lower leg. The first of these muscles is called the soleus. It originates on the back of the head of the fibula and on the back of the tibia and connects to a very prominent tendon that inserts into the calcaneus or our heel bone. There is a set of muscles on the top called the gastrocnemius. They originate on the back of the condyles of the femur and come down as two sections that attach into the same large tendon as the soleus. Gastrocnemius means the belly of the leg because of the belly-like shape it has as it comes down. The prominent tendon that both muscles connect to is our Achilles tendon, which references Greek mythology and the only place the hero Achilles was vulnerable. It is a massively strong tendon and very visible from the surface, especially when it's in action. The hamstrings come down on top of the calf muscles, but they insert below the origin of the gastrocnemius on either side. This means that the gastrocnemius will emerge out from underneath the hamstring tendons, which will often be clear from the surface. The inner section of the gastrocnemius is slightly lower than the outer section. This creates a downward angle towards the inside of the leg. This is a contrasting angle to the lower ankle bones. The fibula on the outside is lower than the tibia on the inside, creating an upward angle. These two lines converge towards the inside of the body, which creates an important rhythm in drawing the leg. Because the calf muscles anchor into the back of the lower leg and insert into the heel bone, if they contract, it will pull the heel up, which points the toe, or if the foot is planted, raise the heel, to put the weight on the ball of our feet. Now let's find the calf muscles from the surface. We can see a light shadow here and here, which indicate the hamstring tendons coming down to grip the lower leg. From the inside, we can see a line that comes down the center, showing the division between the two sections of the thick gastrocnemius. Both sections emerge from under the hamstring tendons and have very evident shapes from the surface. A slight shadow here shows us the flat center section of the Achilles tendon, which turns into a thick cable at the bottom since this model is contracting their calf muscle to raise their heel. A highlight here and a shadow here show the finger-like sections of the soleus, gripping the outside of the Achilles tendon. We can also see contrasting angles between the gastrocnemius and ankle bones that converge on the inside of the leg and create an important rhythm to make the leg look natural. Remember all of these points when drawing the calf muscles. Analyze the anatomy on the surface of your reference and draw from observation and memory to help you learn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to drawsh.com for more information on these topics and many more. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.